Aquino. Tatak na tatak sa kanya ang free college tuition law. Kaya naman love na love siya ng kabataan. Pero alam ninyo ba, may backstory pala kung paano naging batas ang free tuition law. At may real at unsung hero pala ang batas.
Mr. President, also for the record, we were all together when we pushed itong libreng tertiary education nung panahon ni President Digong Duterte. And I just want to put on record, and I don't want to lie when I say this, nung pinasa po niya yan, kasi hindi pa niya napirmahan, maraming naglalabi na huwag ipasa yan. Hindi ko na babanggitin kung sino, pero may naglalabi, puro mga finance sector ng gobyerno. Finance. Sabi nila, walang pera ang gobyerno para sa free tertiary education. Pero pinirmahan pa rin ng presidente. Ako'y umiyak. I was on my way to the airport. I was in a van in Cebu. And when I heard that he signed it, sumigaw din po ako and napaiyak po ako dahil I said, wow, this is a landmark measure for the presidency of then President Digong Duterte. Napaiyak po ako sa tuwa. So, because I didn't think that, alam mo, pag dinitiktahan ka po ng mga cabinet members na wag ipasa, i-veto, he stood his ground and he signed it. So,
Totoo po yun, Mr.
we have to
President.
thank the President for that, no matter what.
Senator Migs, maraming salamat. Pinaglaban mo rin po ito nung panahon ni dating Pangulong Duterte. Totoo po yun, muntik na talagang nabito yun.
Yes.
At hindi na tuloy. Isa ka sa nakipaglaban ng batas na ito. At marami pong nakikinabang ng mga estudyante. Gabi na yun, nandiyan na yung for veto. Tinawagan ko si Chair Popoy, sabi ko sumulat ka kay former President Duterte, inabot natin yung sulat. At kinabukasan, yun na. Alam ni Pangulong Duterte, napakahalaga po ng edukasyon ng ating mga kabataan.
I'll never forget that day. Kasi kasama ko po yung staff ko. Nagtataka siya, bakit ako umiiyak? Sabi ko, naiyak ako sa tuwa. I had tears talaga because I really thought that ito na ang pagkakataon ng ating mga kababayan ay magkaroon na ng libreng grade school, high school, college. I know at the time, a lot of people were lobbying to veto it, but the President still signed it.